like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing. I am Brian at Amanpulo, King One. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
First night here in Amanpulo. Thank you so much, I am Worldwide. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. All the views, even the food, sobrang sarap. Sobrang na-enjoy namin lahat yung mga food na prepare this night.
Sa Amanpulo, yung sacrifices na ginagawa natin sa business, sobrang bayad na bayad. Yes, dadaling ka ng kumpanya natin sa napakagandang destinasyon.
Standard magpa, incentive si IAM, kaya huwag kang pumayag. Kasama!
Dapat next time, kasama ka na! Lunch pa lang to. Almost nakain na ata namin lahat ng dishes worldwide. So, grabe, sobrang sarap ng food na in-offer dito sa Manpulo. Kaya dapat next time kasama. Chop chop!
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. I am worldwide, and your wife slowly burns. Day three. In too deep.
Hi, amazing morning movers! We are now on our day 3 here in Amanpulo. And so far, grabe, sobrang exciting, sobrang saya ng mga activities na ginawa namin.
Sobrang sarap ng experience talaga dito. Parang ayaw mo na umuwi eh. Alam mo yon, sobrang nakaka-relax and yung bonding ng bawat isa. Ang ganda-ganda dito. Grabe, mas speechless ka talaga pagdating mo. And i-make sure mo talaga na lahat ng incentives ni I Am Worldwide mahihit mo.
All expenses paid ng ating company, I Am Worldwide. Dati nung nag-umpisa ako, iniisip ko lagi, naku, baka lang para sa mga taong may resulta yan, sa mga top mentors lang yan. Pero na-realize ko na para pala talaga siya sa lahat. As long as gagawin mo yung part mo, hahatawin mo yung negosyo, mahihit mo rin yung mga travel incentive.
When it comes to your services, Amanpulo is the best talaga. Happy ako kasi di ko na-expect yung mga food, yung may sarili kang cart, may sarili kang travel experiences and activities dito. Like for example, yung snorkeling nila. And ang dami talaga namin first time dito lang namin na-try.
Naniniwala ko sa'yo na ikaw na yung next. Ikaw na yung susunod na makakasama sa incentive. Tandaan mo, sa ganitong incentive, wala nang top mentor, wala nang bago. Lahat tayo dito may equal opportunity na ma-hit yung mga incentive.
Kaya kung ako sa'yo, nandito ka na rin naman, itodo mo na. Kasi yung next travel natin, Europe. Dito pa lang, no, pinag-uusapan na agad yung next travel. Kaya naku, sumabay ka sa amin. Kasi yung nagawa ko, nagawa namin, nagagawa mo din. And I'm so grateful na nakasama po tayo dito. Na kung saan, marami ka na natulungan sa klase ng ganitong negosyo. Plus, na-experience mo pa ang incentive na once in a lifetime, di ba po? And dahil high standard talagang I Am Worldwide, sobrang love tayo ng owners para mapa-experience sa ating ganito. So, maximize natin. Kay I Am Worldwide, na-experience mo ang hindi mo pa na-experience before. Kaya dapat, mga mentors, tawin na natin ng todo ang I Am Worldwide para sa susunod na incentive kasama. Kaya sobrang thank you, I Am Worldwide!